Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tie a really strong knot. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, for this really strong knot, you will need a string or a rope of some sort, and you're also going to need something that you can tie it to that has sort of like a loop around it, okay? You want something that isn't massive, that has something that you can put the rope through, okay? I just have this pair of scissors over here. You can use anything. Now, this knot is super strong, and it is commonly referred to as the palomar knot. I think I said that wrong. I'm calling it a polymer knot, but it's a palomar knot. Not polymer knot, because polymer is a type of material that I'm thinking of. It's a palomar knot, okay? But whatever it's called, this is how you tie it, okay? I might have made a mistake with the name, but this is how you tie the palomar knot. Let me just check my notes over here, because I keep wanting to say polymer knot. But I know that polymer is a type of material that I've sort of encountered before and I've seen used before. This is called the palomar knot, okay? And it's arguably one of the strongest knots that you can tie. Overall strong, okay? So basically, it's really, really easy to do. I'm going to try and reach around my tripod here to give you the best view possible. Essentially, you want to take your rope and you want to bend it in half. So essentially, you want to create this like double end over here. And with that double end, you're going to have a loose part, okay? You're going to have a part that connects to the rest of the rope, and then you're going to have this loop right here. You want to take the loop, all that we need is the loop, and you want to put the loop through your fishing hook, whatever it is, anything that has a hole in it. You're going to put the loop through that, okay? As you can see right here, we've placed the loop through it, and you want to leave a good amount of end over here, because you're going to need to pass something through this eventually. So leave a good amount left over here. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to tie this loop into an overhand knot, which is just a regular single knot, over here, and you want to tie it before the end over here. Don't go past the end. You want to tie it before you get to the end. So I'm going to just tie it like this, and I'm going to put it into just a very simple overhand knot, as you can see right over here. So I just did a very simple overhand knot, and I'm going to tighten it up. Now, before I tighten it up all the way, what you want to do is you want to place the object through the loop. So right now the loop is over here, but when I place the object through the loop's going to end up over there. So I'm going to take the object, which are the scissors, and I'm going to place them through the loop over here, bring the loop around. And now the loop, as you can see, is up here with the rest of the knot. Now essentially all that I need to do is just tighten it up. And you want to tighten it up so this loop, what was the loop over there, ends up tightening around the knot itself. So I'm just going to tighten it nice and slowly. Don't go too fast or else the loop won't tighten up. But essentially you want to continue tightening this loop over here until it ends up tightening around the knot. And you're going to end up with the palomar knot, which is it's arguably like one of the strongest overall knots, because as you can see right here, we essentially have a double-stranded overhand knot, and then this loop gives it added knottedness. So now this loop here is on it, along with the double-stranded single overhand knot. We're going to tighten it up really tightly, and as you can see right now, we have like an unbelievably strong knot. And you can take this loop and move it up and tighten it even more, and that'll make the knot even stronger. You'll be amazed at how strong this knot is. And once again, it's not the polymer knot, it's the palomar knot. I do apologize about the misenunciating. I'm not even sure what the word, I can't even speak today, but I'm very sorry about mispronouncing the word. But yeah, essentially, the main thing was I wanted to show you how to do it. The name doesn't matter so much. It's more that I wanted to show you the step-by-step tutorial. But that's it. That is how to tie a really strong knot, a step-by-step tutorial for something called the palomar knot, just to clarify. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.